If you have just finished installing your PSA Centrii CCTV system, you will now need to go through the setup wizard to finalize the installation process of the system. This video will guide you through the setup along with some best practice tips to ensure your system is installed correctly. What you will need. To set up the system, you will need a TV or computer monitor to plug the NVR into. You'll also need a mouse, which is included with the system for controlling the NVR. When you first boot the system up, you will be presented with an activation screen. This is where you create an administrative user and password for your system. Next, you will need to create a password for your system. This password will be what you use to access the system through direct login. The password must contain 6 to 32 characters and must contain either 2 numbers or 2 special characters. After entering in your password, record it so you don't forget it, then re-enter the password. Then select OK. On the next page, you can set up an unlock pattern, which allows you quick access to the NVR without needing to enter the password each time you use it. Draw your pattern by clicking and holding the left mouse button. Make note of it, then re-enter the pattern to confirm. Then select OK. Password recovery. This step is optional, however, highly recommended. In the case you forget your password, you can set a recovery email to allow your password to be quickly reset. Enter an email address you would like to be the password recovery email, then select OK. On the next screen, you'll be presented with recovery questions, which allow you to recover your password in another method in case it is forgotten. There are 3 fields which will give you a list of questions that you can provide answers to. Ensure that the answers are easily recalled by yourself and that they are spelt correctly. Once completed, select OK. On the next page, select Setup Wizard to continue to the NVR setup. This page allows you to set up the network controls for your NVR. Everything should be automatically detected, but please ensure the following before continuing. Confirm that the DHCP switch is enabled or highlighted blue. Confirm the Obtain DNS automatically setting is enabled, highlighted blue. Then select Next to continue. Confirm that Enable NPT is enabled. Provided that you are connected to the internet, this will allow the system to detect the time automatically. Select the time zone tab, then choose your time zone. Then click OK to continue. When the cameras are first plugged into the NVR, they will automatically begin connecting to the system. They may already be visible behind the setup window and be visible in the list of cameras in the setup screen. If you cannot see all your cameras, click Start Search to look for available cameras that are connected to the NVR. Provided they are all connected properly, they will appear in the list with an assigned channel. Your NVR should already be installed with a hard drive. However, it will need to be initialized before use. Please note that this process will erase any stored data previously recorded on the hard drive. On this window, you will see the installed hard drive in the list. Select the hard drive by clicking the checkbox on the far left, then click Format to begin the initialization process. After a short amount of time, the format will be complete, then select OK to proceed. Confirm the display resolution of your system is 1920 by 1080 pixels. If you choose an incompatible display option, your screen will go black. If you have accidentally done this, your screen will revert after 30 seconds. Finally, click Finish to exit the setup wizard. Congratulations! You have completed the setup of your PSA Centrii NVR and it is now ready for use. If you have any problems or questions with the setup process, please contact our tech support team on 1300 772 776 or email support@psaproducts.com.au.